Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Tradovate account to TradingView. First, open TradingView and locate the trading panel at the bottom of your screen. Next, you will see a list of available brokers. Simply select Tradovate from this list. Finally, enter your Tradovate account credentials, including your username and password, to initiate the login process. This is the crucial first step to integrating your platforms. After logging in, you will be prompted to authorize TradingView to access your Tradovate account. It is very important to carefully review all the terms and conditions presented on the screen. Understand what permissions you are granting before proceeding. Once you are comfortable, click the Confirm button to finalize the authorization. This step securely links your two platforms, allowing them to communicate effectively. With the connection established, it is essential to verify everything is working correctly. Look at the TradingView trading panel. Your Tradovate account status should now show as connected. Confirm that your account balance, open positions, and order history are accurately displayed. For a final check, consider placing a very small test order, perhaps one micro lot, to ensure full trading functionality. This confirms a successful setup. Sometimes, you might encounter minor issues. If you have trouble logging in, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This often resolves common glitches. For persistent connection problems, do not hesitate to reach out directly to Tradovate's customer support team for assistance. Remember to always use strong, unique passwords for both your Tradovate and TradingView accounts to maintain optimal security. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.